Good evening viewers. Today we will discuss on UGC NET English Literature paper December 2011. This is the first video and on this video we will discuss starting 25 question of December 2011 past year question paper of English Literature. So let's start. Question number 1. Poems descriptive of rural life and scenery is written by William Wordsworth, Robert Southey, John Clare, Thomas Gray. These four options and answer is option number C. John Clare. Question number 2. Hemingway's novel A Farewell Arms is divided into 5 books. 3. Panopticism is the title of a chapter in a well-known book by Roman Jakobson, Jacques Lacan, Michel Foucault, Jacques Derrida. Answer is C. Michel Foucault. 4. The lines "She was a worthy woman, I'll here live, house bondage at churchy door she had a five" are an example of blank verse, Clarthu, heroic couplet, free verse. Answer is C. Heroic couplet. 5. Who among the following women writers famously imagined the plight of Shakespeare's sister? George Eliot, Virginia Woolf, Irish Murdoch, or Frances Burney? Answer is B. Virginia Woolf. 6. Read the following statement and the reason. Assertion 1. Dickens' novels are called Newgate novels. Reason. They are called so because Dickens adulate in these novels the careers and adventures of criminals. Answer is A. Both A are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 7. Who among the following writers does not belong to the group the university wits? Answer is B. Answer is D. Thomas Kidd. Question number 8. Which of the following characters of Webster's The White Devil utters the memorable words "oft gay and honored"? Robs those tortures try, we think caged birds sing, when indeed the cry. Vittoria Corombona, Bracciano, the Cardinal of Flaminio. Answer is option number D. Flaminio. 9. All great literature is at bottom a criticism of life. This statement is attributed to. Answer is option B. Matthew Arnold. 10. Who among the following is not a Jewish American novelist? J.D. Salinger, Henry Greene, William Faulkner, Philip Roth. Answer is option number B. Henry. 11. Which among the following plays by Christopher Marlowe has epic features? Answer is D. Tamburlaine. 12. Sir Fopling is a character in. Answer is option number C. Etheridge, the man of mode. 13. Who famously said, "Three or four families in a country village is the very thing to work on"? Answer is D. Jane Austen. 14. Ike Mefuna is a character in the novel When Rain Clouds Gather. The mimic man things fall apart. The interpreters. Answer is option number C. Things falls apart. 15. A foot consisting of a strong syllable followed by a weak syllable is called trochee. 16. What is it that Chaucer focuses on in the depiction of the wife of Bath in the Canterbury Tales? Meekness, defiance, chastity, experience. Answer is B. Defiance. 17. Put the following books of Pope in a sequence of publication: The Dunciad, The Rape of the Lock, An Essay on Man, and An Essay on Criticism. Answer is option number C. An essay on criticism, The Rape of the Lock, The Dunciad, and last one is An Essay on Men. 18. Dina Morris is a character in George Eliot's novel Adam Bede. 19. The Booker Prize is awarded by a panel of judges to the best novel by a citizen of United Kingdom, British Commonwealth, or the Republic of Ireland. United Kingdom or British Commonwealth? Answer is B. The British Commonwealth or the Republic of Ireland. 20. A, a curta sonnet consisting of, answer is A, 11 lines. 21. The Unfortunate Traveller has been authored by Robert Greene, Thomas Delaunay, Thomas Nashe, Thomas Lodge. Answer is option number C, Thomas Nashe. 22. Who among the following is not a practitioner of Jacobean tragedy? George Villiers. Answer is George Villiers. 23. The author of Nation and Narration is Edward Said, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, Franz Fanon, Homi Bhabha. Answer is D. Homi Bhabha. 24. Which of the following novels has a great impact on the formal experimentation in contemporary fiction? Answer is option number C. Lawrence Stern's Tristram Shandy. 25. The phrase only connect is associated with E. M. Forster. Option number C. E. M. Forster. This is the first half 25 questions, and next 25 half question I will be upload on second video. And guys, if you want to crack UGC net, you have to solve past year question paper and it will definitely help you. This is the official question paper and answer key for the paper conduct on December 2011, and I have taken it from www.ntnet.nic.in. अगर आपको लगता है तो आप भी जाकर के इस क्वेश्चन पेपर को चेक कर सकते हैं और इसको सॉल्व करने की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. टेक केयर.